a static exercise which focuses the load on the abdominals and back extensors. Target muscles, core muscles. Co-contraction of back extenders, abdominal muscles, pelvic floor, and diaphragm. Raise one leg, pushing it straight backwards, and simultaneously lift the opposite arm and point it in front of you. Arm and back form a line parallel to the floor. Hold for about 8 to 10 seconds. Top view presenting the spinal erectors, transversus abdominis, and pelvic floor muscles in co-contraction. When you co-contract, you wake these muscles up and they work together to create a well-supported core. Keep neutral spine and abdominal bracing throughout the entire exercise.